Xavi FS Hub market structure and divergence strategy. We do like to see on the weekly time frame what BTC is all about. I'm not a fan of anything crypto. We don't trade anything crypto. But for the fact of authenticity of market structure, we did like to look into the structure of the market just for reference, just for fun's sake, to see if market structure and divergence strategy is applicable to anything tradable in the financial market, and what potential opportunity it provides in leading you to a point of accuracy. First, I said before, Shabby FS of market structure and divergence strategy is based on breakout structure, the ability to picture and point a broken structure. What is a structure? Structure is a support level. Structure is a resistance level. In trading any financial instrument, we want to see when there's invalidation of structure. When market creates structure, it's bound to play by the pattern of the structure. But for any reason due to fundamental analysis, change in emotion and bias, the structure is broken, we look out for the break of the structure. Market technically returns on a retest. That is the rule of the strategy. And when you pair with divergence, it gives you a more clear directional bias as to where to wait. Patience is the game. While dealing with market structure and divergence strategy, you must wait. Patience is key and critical. So we like to look from the bottom. Where do we have breakout structure from the bottom? We have so many breakout structure in this price. We see here, okay, let's start from the bottom. We start from the bottom of price. This is a support level. This is a support level. A breakout candle. This change in character has initiated a broken structure. We have a support level 1 in June 22, support level, a breakout from a support level. This also is part of the support level. This is a breakout candle. So this breakout candle initiates the rule. So we go in, get our line, and do what we do best. For every time price tries to break our structure, we do what we do best. We play with lines. That's all we do. Play with lines. Never cross the body of a weekly candle. In this rule, you can play with wicks, but never cross the body of a weekly candle. If you cross the body of a weekly candle, you are no longer playing with the strategy. We can tolerate wicks. We can tolerate wicks, but never cross the body of a weekly candle. Never cross the body of a monthly candle. If you cross the body of a weekly candle or a monthly candle on this strategy, you're on your own. That's strictly on your own. Yes, we never cross the body of a candle. This is the body of a candle, a support structure. This candle is a breakout candle. We have a floor. This is a support floor. Let's signify it. This is a support floor. You can see support, 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 the breakout candle. This is the candle that broke a support structure. This is the candle that broke the support structure. So once the structure is broken, I go back to the strategy to look out for other possible ways where the candle that broke the structure will return. And when we look to the upside using our purple line, we'll see a resistance after a structure was broken from the downside. Price already start creating a structure. This is a resistance. This is a resistance. A breakout of a resistance structure. Price call for retest. Price return again on a retest. So expect price to return again in this zone. So let's make our chart clean. So for everything we go through, we like to, from the bottom again, we see another break of structure. This is a support level, We like to be bounded by support level, support level, support level, break of a support level structure. This is a breakout candle. Price came back for retest. There is a retest candle, January 2024. Why is using weekly analysis the best in assessing the market? It gives you a clear directional bias because weekly break of structure, monthly break of structure holds. So you see, we have here SR level. Let's level them best understand. SR, SR, weekly SR, weekly SR, weekly SR. I have here a breakout candle. This is the candle that broke the structure, and we came back here on retests. So when price broke the structure, we came back again on retest. So we will have our zone. Like I said, price happens in zone. So the zone is a parameter of market reaction. We put zone, we expect that price will react within that zone. Sometimes we use a box. So when you see price into your zone, if you're on live trade, that's all it takes to trigger a buy or a sell, as long as price has come into the zone. The resistance structure, SR level, support become resistance, support become resistance, support become resistance, breaker structure, retest, RT1. When price came down, we already have a down structure, an ascending trend line. This line is not the way you've been taught by a lot of gurus. But because we are dealing with breaker structure, we want to see where resistance became support, where support become resistance. We follow the trajectory, we follow the pattern until we get to the end of the matter. So this is how the structure will continue until we have a further break to the downside. For now, the market is playing on a bullish face, where a broken resistance is currently a support. We have here a support structure, which I'm going to call SR. Here is a support structure. The structure was broken. We have here retest. I would consider this as retest. RT. To further understand, the price came back here as resistance becomes support. ROS. We have here again as ROS. And finally, a breakout candle. This is a breakout candle. Monday 04 December 2023. The resistance structure was broken, setting price up for a bullish rally. Officially, the next wave of the bullish rally started from this candle Monday because it broke a structure. It broke a resistance structure that held price on two consecutive occasions, September 22 Head price April 23. A breakout of that structure signals influx of liquidity. So price traded on the roof. Price has remained on the roof. A return to a broken structure in the month of August further keeps price to the upside. So we have here another beautiful retest. We have another beautiful retest. Another beautiful retest. Very simple and clear. So we have here as support become resistance. I can also add RT, a retest candle, and as well a support resistance structure. This is a retest candle. After the breakout, this is my breakout candle. This is the retest, subsequent retest on a broken structure before price finally left. So we're going to have, let's put RT as our retest. These are all retest candles. These are all retest candles. Serving also as an ascending trend line with the ability to keep price to the upside. On a technical perspective, we like to look at the roof. Why has price stopped at 73.841? A lot of people might not know why price has stopped at this level. This is the current all-time high, ATL, ATH, and a selling roof, or we can call it a selling zone. But now market is in accumulation phase, building liquidity with the formation of a bullish flag. A bullish flag. Price setting up in a bullish flag pattern. On the weekly candle, I take recognizance of wicks that never cross the body of a weekly candle. That will be cross of a critical rule binding shabby FS hub market strategy. Over the time, it has never paid well. Crossing the body of a weekly candle has never paid well based on evidence backing our strategy. On the downside, we have series of resistance and series of support level building a bullish flag. These are all SR level from the upside, from the downside. A series of SR support become resistance. The heavy massive wicks. We will continue to follow these wicks as price show several rejections, and this is the floor, the temporary floor. I will use the black color for the floor, and for the roof I would like to use the body of the candles to represent my roof, where the wicks will serve as zone. So I would like to accommodate the wicks as the zone. These are temporary selling roof. These are selling group and the descending trend line, DTL. We have two descending trend line. One is the floor, one is the roof. On the floor, because the market is bullish, I will continue to pick only the wicks from the floor because of the status of the market. The price has turned bullish. So I'll be more concerned with the legs of price rather than the body. Ignoring the legs will put you in a much deeper loss. So it's critical to wait and follow and pick from the rejection zone rather than the body of the candle. We also have another break of structure on the weekly. In the month of September 2021, we have a support structure. I like to pick our support structure. This is a support structure that kept price to the upside. And we have a break of the structure here, January 22. Now structure is broken. We go back to put our strategy because we want to see a break of structure. This is a support level. This is a support level. The wicks, the 2 weeks are support level on weekly. If we scroll down to daily or 4 hours, this is no longer going to be weeks. It's going to be full body candle. So I want to pick the wicks and end it with the body of the candle. We like to see where this trade is going next from here. We like to see where it's going next. Or we can join. This is the body of the candle. This is a resistance level. We have a structure here, a resistance level, a breakout of a resistance level, price return on multiple times. So we can stick to this. We want to bring price to this level. You see the structure? This is head and shoulder. A head and shoulder structure setting up a bearish impulse. This is the, let's explain it very well. A head and shoulder structure. So this is the shoulder, yes, the left shoulder. This is the head, and this is the right shoulder. Head and shoulder. A break of the neckline. This is the neckline. Now, price broke the neckline of the head and shoulder and return as retest. So we are going to take this off after explanation. The neckline has been broken and price is trading below the neckline. So this technically becomes the new selling structure. This becomes the new selling structure. I will add zones to it. I will add zones to it because of the way it's playing around and it can be fooled. We are going to add zone to it. Don't add too much zone to see when the structure is broken. If your zone is too big, you might not see when the structure returns. So a resistance structure, a break of a resistance structure, price returned. So let's get